Tonight we are just doing roast veggies and roast chicken on the Weber. So all I'm literally doing is we're just preheating this pan here. I've just got some oil in it. So we're just going to do potatoes, pumpkin, carrot, let that go for about half an hour, and then I'll add in the onion. I've got a couple of mushrooms that I'm going to have tonight instead of the chicken, and I like to put the broccoli on the Weber as well to make it nice and brown. What I do with seasoning is just use this mixed herbs, the garlic salt and some salt and pepper, and then Joss has his own mix for the chicken.
So on this trip we've got both the Weber and the camp cooker, gas stove. So we've used mainly probably the gas stove.
Yeah, I think the Weber only comes out when we're at a place for like a couple of nights.
Yeah, we don't get it out like for small meals or quick meals. Just run it off the gas stove, the gas that we've got hooked onto the back here, and just swap them in and out. So I haven't yet set it up the way we can have them both connected at the same time, but we rarely need to.
This isn't a typical dinner either, it's just that we're trying to get rid of
lots of veggies
that aren't really surviving in the heat and on the corrugation. So
yeah, it's kind of
what we'd eat at home.
Yeah, but good meal. We had it the other night at Winjana and it was really good. So here we're at, what's it called? Manning Gorge. The Weber lives in that bag and we just tie it down with a strap. Preheated the Weber to about 150 with the pan in it with a bit of oil.
Yeah.
And in go the potatoes, pumpkin and carrot.
What I usually do is just like really get it going in the oil. It is hot, but it's not too bad.
Yeah, it's a pretty oil heavy dinner, this one.
It is, but it's good. It's olive oil, it's not bad.
It's olive oil. But it roasts them up well.
Yeah, it does. So I just do that. And so I'm pretty generous with the garlic salt. I think everything in garlic salt.
We're running out.
It's just stuck to the bottom. I think everything tastes better with garlic salt. And then I just pinch on some herbs. I'm also quite generous with that. And then some salt and pepper. And that's it. So this is on for about 20 minutes and maybe you can see that, but oh my goodness, that looks so good. So what I usually do now is just make some room. Just put the mushrooms on top. And the same with the broccoli, because last time I did it the broccoli got a bit too charred. I'll remember this time to put them around.
So the chicken part, we've defrosted some chicken. And I just use the bag. We're running out of oil, so just a little bit. And a bit of this Bry smoky seasoning. Smells good. Chuck a heap in there. I just use the bag to mix it all up. Mix it all together. Just get oil all over it, just so it doesn't stick. And then make some room on the Weber. These are big breasts, these ones.
So the reason we're cooking two is not because Joss is super hungry, but because that'll give him some meat for his salads, so he's not just eating tuna like what I do.
So we just flipped the chicken, looking nice and juicy.
And the mushrooms,
and
yum.
flipping the mushrooms.
And the brock so it doesn't burn on the bottom.
So these are big chicken breasts, so I might just put some slices in them with a knife. They're for one's for lunches anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Just to make them cook a bit quicker. So chicken's done. Just cut a bit off, keep it juicy. And veggies are done too. I'm hungry.
Crispy. Oh, I want a mushroom. Did you want a mushroom?
Yeah. Am I allowed mushroom?
Yeah.
No, you have it. You have it, babe. You have it.